Here's a good car for car spotting. It's Steve's car.
How do I say what I wanna say? How does one express an idea in words? What I say, manifest. Yeah. From young I manifested, always on the next shit, the newest and the next shit, the best of the best shit, but always living reckless. That can be your opinion, but I've had a life living, movie script, no kidding. All around the world in the nicest fucking places. You spend a week in Dominican and really feel you made it. I'm in places that you can't pronounce where the private planes is. FBO Omega yacht became a normal thing, bitch. Anything you think I'm doing, trust I'm doing better. Any way you think I am, trust it's really better. Anyone you think I'm with, trust. They fucking winners. How do I say
what I wanna say?
How does one express
An idea
in words?
what I say.
Manifest. In Barcelona or Puerto Rico or California or Miami or Cuba, Dominican or Dominica. What about St. Lucia, St. Kitts or Antigua? On the beach in Bahamas, staring at the Atlantis on a mega yacht. Cheers with crystal baccarat glasses in a Maserati on the highway passing. On your way to the premiere of the newest show, newest dope. Landing in any country, to a driver waiting with the newest smoke. Back of the road, quick trip to the villa, bro. Shorts, flip, flops, time to get it though. Any home around the world, been in a crib or two. Luxury homes, full party with champagne views. Clink flutes. I manifest it all. I manifest it all. What I say, manifest.